Hi everyone, welcome to Visco. So today I'm going to demo a set of 2-wire intercom system from Hikvision. So first, the intercom system included the main station, the indoor stations, and also the outdoor station. So first, I will talk about all the products one by one. From the first one, this is the main station. So for the main station, the model number is DS-KH6320-WTE1. It can support up to 128 camera view and also 10,000 intercom devices. Next, we're going to the door station. The door station comes with 2 more sub-modules, and also the model number of this door station is DS-KD8003-IME1. It can connect up to 8 sub-modules including itself. This sub-module is keypad module and also the indicator module. Next will be the indoor station. The indoor station model number is DS-KH6320-WTE1. Okay. Move on to this side. This is an audio and video distributor. For here, we have 2 types. One is 706SP. Another one is 706P. The difference between both of them is, for this SP series, you can add this as a call switch, and for this P series, it can connect the door station, master stations, and also the indoor station together. For these 2 distributors are only applicable for 2-wire system. If you are using an IP system, these 2 distributors will be excluded from this system. For now, I'm going to start to demo how the intercom system works. Okay, so first I'll give you a scenario. When you order Foodpanda or GrabFood, when the people come to the gate, they will first see these door stations, and this main station will be located at security guard house, and this indoor station will be located at your house. So if the Foodpanda rider don't know where's your house, they can just press this button, go to the security. The security guard can open the door or either pick up the phone. Next, if the rider know your house or your friend come to visit you, they can just call to your house through this keypad module. This is room number 1 and this is room number 2. Press 1 and hashtag. It shall call to your house and you can unlock the door or pick up the phone.
The door is
at the same
open.
time, you can view the live view also. Check room number 2. Yes, it is the same. Next, from the main stations, we actually can view the live view of those door stations too. You just press live view. You can unlock the door. Talk to the guy at the gate. You can see this indicator module has microphone. And also, for the indoor stations, you also can see who's at the door stations too. Just press the live view also. It's the same function with master stations. Next, you can call the master station from your house too. You can just press this icon, a security guard. You can just press it. It shall call to the master stations and you can pick up. This is how the whole intercom system works. Hope you enjoy watching this video. If you guys interested with this system, please feel free to contact our Visco sales. Please don't forget to like and share our Facebook page, and also like and subscribe our YouTube channel. See you guys on our next video. Bye bye.